So a few months ago, I learned how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and I thought the next stage up from here would be to do the 4x4. This one's called the Rubik's Revenge, and it's quite a lot bigger, even though it's only that much bigger really. It does make quite a big difference. The aim is to eventually have it solved in under 3 minutes. I found a tutorial, I've got the cube, I'm just going to jot some notes down and see how this goes. And that's the corners, not the corners, the centres done. So unlike on the 3x3, the centres don't always stay in the middle, so you have to put them together. So just done that, and I'm going to move on to the next stage. So just watching me turn the cube wouldn't be massively interesting, so like the YouTuber who got the idea off to do this video, I'm just going to put some facts in to spread the video out. The 3x3 has 43 quintillion combinations, and this one has so many that I can't even pronounce the number, but I'll put it up on the screen now. In fact, the number of combinations on the 7x7 is larger than the number of atoms in the observable universe. Right, so I've got the first 3 layers together, now it's just on to the last layer. After I've sorted out the yellow edges somehow, it's solved, done, and then it's just about getting the time under 3 minutes. I just did my first time solved, and I got 7 minutes and 26 seconds. I've just got to memorise the algorithms in this book and somehow get that down to 3 minutes. The 2x2 may look like a joke cube that anyone could do, but it actually has over 3 million combinations. The Rubik's Cube was originally called the Magic Cube, but they decided to change the name of it as they thought it invoked ideas of witchcraft. I haven't had loads of time to practice during the week because I've been at work, but I did just get a 3 minute 31 second solve, and my plan is to watch J Perm's tutorial on how to do 3-2-3 edge turning, and hopefully that pushes it below the 3 minute mark. Alright, I just learned the first bit of the 3-2-3 edge pairing tutorial, and I'm just going to do a few solves and see if I can get it below 3 minutes. Damn it, 3 minutes and 54 seconds on that one. Damn it. New record on that one, 3 minutes and 16 seconds. I just had 16 seconds off that. This video would be ready to upload, but damn it. Alright, I just got it under 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 46 seconds, absolutely smashed it that time. Right, I'm going to go and edit this video and I'm going to go and upload it, so yeah, thanks for watching. Okay, before I end the video, you there, yeah, I'll see you there, get your finger, click like and subscribe. Also, if there's a skill or a different cube you want me to learn, just put the idea in the comments and I will make a video out of it.